Hello everyone. Today here are some motivational thoughts. I hope you will like these precious thoughts. Moreover, you can get different paragraphs, letters, inspirational stories, beautiful poems created by me and valuable thoughts by famous personalities on this channel. Now, let's get started. You will never get bored when you try something new. There is really no limit to what you can do. I think it's intoxicating when somebody is so unapologetically who they are. You can never leave footprints that last if you are always walking on tiptoe. If you don't like the road you are walking, start paving another one. If it makes you nervous, you are doing it right. What you do makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. I choose to make the rest of my life the best of my life. In order to be irreplaceable, one must always be different. Anything can make me stop and look, wonder, and sometimes learn. People's passion and desire for authenticity is strong. Thank you.